Hey guys, welcome to Learn Dutch for Beginners through English lesson series. This lesson is brought to you by ifactner.com. In this lesson, we will learn how do we greet people in Dutch. We will be learning few words and phrases. We will be learning interjections. For example, how do we say sorry, excuse me, perhaps in Dutch. We will learn some most common words in Dutch. Then we will focus on the question words. For example, how do we say who, what, when, etc. in Dutch. Then we will discuss some places and we will learn how do we say them in Dutch. And in the end, our focus would be on transportation and transportation related places. Let's begin our Learn Dutch for Beginners through English lesson series by ifactner.com. Greetings are called groeten in Dutch. Remember, G is mostly pronounced as G in Dutch. Hello is hallo, 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 hallo. Hello is hello. Hi is hoi, 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 hoi. Hi, hoi. And please repeat after me. Hoi. How are you? Hoe gaat het? G is pronounced as ga. Hoe gaat het? Hoe gaat het? Hoe gaat het? Hoe gaat het? How are you? Hoe gaat het? I am fine. Het gaat goed. Or het gaat prima. Het gaat goed met mij. It literally means it's going good. Met means with, mij means me. It's going good with me. Het gaat goed. It's going good. Meaning, I am fine. I am fine. Het gaat goed. Bye. Doei. 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 Bye. Doei. Or you can say dag. Doeg. Etc. in Dutch. Hallo. Hoi. Hoe gaat het? Het gaat goed. Doei. Dag. Good morning is goedemorgen. 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 Good morning. Goedemorgen. You can see that in Dutch we join together two or more words to form a single word. Goed, good, morgen, morning. Goedemorgen means good morning. Good evening. Goedenavond. 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 Good evening. Goedenavond. Nice to meet you. Aangenaam kennis te maken. Aangenaam kennis te maken. And in the end is very polite. Aangenaam kennis te maken. Aangenaam kennismaken. Nice to meet you. Aangenaam kennismaken. Goodbye. Farewell. It means farewell. Farewell. V is pronounced as fa. Farewell. Fe. Farewell. Yes, please repeat after me. Farewell. Goodbye. Farewell. Good night. Goedenacht. 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 Good night. Goedenacht. Goedemorgen. Goedenavond. Aangenaam kennis te maken. Vaarwel. Goedenacht. Now let's learn some interjections in Dutch. Excuse me. Excuser mij. Excuser mij. Excuser mij. Excuser mij. Excuse me. Excuser mij. U is pronounced as U. Excuser mij. Pardon is pardon. 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 Thank you is dank u. Dank u. Dank u. Thank you very much. Dank u wel. Or you can say dank je. In Dutch, if we are talking to a younger person or a friend, then we use je, J-E, je. And when we are talking to an older person or to bosses, then we say u. Dank u. Thank you. Dank u. Thank you very much. Dank u wel. Or you can say bedankt. Help me. Help me is help me. Help me. Help. So you have to pronounce it like help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. You are welcome. Alstublieft. Alstublieft. And alstublieft is also used for please. Please take it. Alstublieft. Please. Alstublieft. You are welcome. Alstublieft. You are welcome. Alstublieft. Excuser mij. Pardon. Dank u. Help mij. Alstublieft. Now we will learn some most common words in Dutch. Yes is ja. J is pronounced as ye. So it's ja. It's not ja, it's ja. Just like in English we say yeah. So it's ja. Yes, ja. No, nee. 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 No, nee. Perhaps, misschien. 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 Perhaps, misschien. Oké, goed. 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 Oké, goed. Kan. Kan, kan, kan. Can, kan. या ने मिस्कीन खुद कान. This is dit or daisy. Dit or daisy. Dit or daisy. Dit, daisy. This, dit, daisy. We will learn to differentiate between dit and daisy in our next tutorials. That is that or the. That or d. That, d. That, d. That is that or the. These, daisy. Daisy, daisy, daisy. These, daisy. Those, d. D, d. D, those, d. Who is we? We, we. Yes, repeat after me. We. Who, we. Where, war. War, war, war. Where, war. What, 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 how, who, who, how, who, why, warum. R is R. Warum, warum, warum. Why, warum. Which, welke. E is pronounced as A. Welke, welke, welke. Which, welke. When, wanneer, 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 wanneer. When, wanneer. We, war, what, who, warum, welke, wanneer. Now we will learn some Dutch words related to places. England is called England. England, England, England. England is England. London is called London. London, London, London. London is London. Supermarket is supermarket. Supermarket, supermarket, supermarket. Supermarket is supermarket. America is America. America, America. America. America is America. Park is called park. 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 Park is called park. Kitchen is coca. 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 Kitchen, coca. Road is weg. 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 Road is weg. Toilet is toilet. 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 Toilet is toilet. Restaurant is restaurant. 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 Ooh, restaurant. Restaurant is restaurant. Cafe is cafe. 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 Cafe is cafe. Hotel is hotel. 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 Hotel is hotel. Hostel is the house. Yes, repeat after me. The house. House is house and the house is hostel or inn or something like that. The house. The house. Hostel, the house. Room is kamar. 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 Room, kamar. Police station is Policy Bureau. Policy Bureau. Policy is police and bureau is office. Policy Bureau. Policy Bureau. Police station, Policy Bureau. Hospital is Ziekenhaus. 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 Hospital is Ziekenhaus. Train station is Train Station. Train Station. Train Station. Train Station. Train station is Train Station. Central train station is Central Station. Central Station. Central Station. Central Station. Yes, repeat after me. Central train station is Central Station. Bus, bus. Ooh. It sounds like ooh. Bus. 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 Bus is bus. Metro is metro. 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 Metro is metro. Taxi is taxi. 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 Taxi is taxi. Now we continue our discussion on transportation. Airplane is vliegtuig, 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 vliegtuig. Airplane, vliegtuig. Airport, luchthaven, luchthaven. Lucht is air and port is called haven. Luchthaven, luchthaven. Airport is luchthaven. Car is auto, 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 auto. Car, auto. Boat is boat, 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 boat. Boat is boat. Tram is tram, 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 tram. Tram is tram. Train station, central station, bus, metro, taxi, vliegtuig, luchthaven, auto, boot, tram. Guys and girls, now I will only speak in Dutch and please repeat each and every word after me. Hallo, hoi, hoe gaat het? Het gaat goed. Doei, dag, doeg. Goedemorgen, goedenavond, aangenaam kennis te maken, vaarwel, goedenacht, excuseer mij, pardon, dank u, help mij, alstublieft, ja, nee, misschien, goed, kan, dit, deze, dat, die, deze, die, wie, waar, wat, hoe, waarom, welke, wanneer. Engeland, London, supermarkt, Amerika, park, keuken, weg, toilet, restaurant, café, hotel, theehuis, kamer, politiebureau, ziekenhuis, treinstation, centraal station, bus, metro, taxi, vliegtuig, luchthaven, auto, boot, tram. Guys and girls, thank you very much for joining us for learning Dutch for beginners through English lesson series. by ifactnut.com. If you would like to do some more exercises and learn Dutch, then please visit us on ifactnut.com. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. I will see you next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.